Hey everybody, so I got a quick unboxing to do from Milwaukee. I got them at Home Depot, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so this is going to be the quick unboxing video. So first one we're going to unbox is 1/4 inch M12 non-fuel brushed ratchet. Hopefully it'll be a quick video. If it's not, I'm sorry, but appreciate you guys watching. So the specifications on the 1/4 inch ratchet: torque is 30 foot-pounds, 41 Newton meters. Speed is 0 to 250 RPMs, which means it has a variable speed trigger. Length is 10 3/4 of an inch long. Weight is 1.5 pounds. Compact low profile head design. It's got a 3/4 head profile. Works with all M12 batteries. Has a 5-year warranty. Comes with a instruction pamphlet, as well as an M12 and M18 tool guide. And that's it. Okay. That's that box. This is what the tool looks like. This is the 1/4 inch. It is actually a 1/4 inch. It is very nicely greased. I can see the grease coming out of the snap ring holes. That's that one. Okay, we're going to open the 3/8. Specifications on the 3/8. Oh, and the 1/4 inch is part number 2456-20. 3/8 is part number 2457-20. Torque is 35 foot-pounds or 47 Newton meters. Speed is 0 to 250 RPMs, which means it has a variable speed trigger. It's got the same length of 10 3/4 inches long. Weight is 1.5 pounds. Comes with the tool, instruction guide, as well as another M12 M18 tool packet. That's it. Out the bag, throw the bag back in here. Okay. This one is definitely also well greased. I can see the greases on the side, the grease on the side of the anvil. This one is definitely a 3/8. Next, we're going to unbox the oscillating tool, which is 2426-20. It is also called an oscillate or a multi-tool, if you guys want to call it that. Try to get the sticker off. It kind of didn't come off very well, but put these over here. This one's It's packaged a little different. It does come with some sanding pads. Comes with a little assortment. An adapter. Comes with a plunge cut wood blade, as well as the sanding triangle, and an Allen key. Here's the instruction guide, as well as another M12 M18 pamphlet. Get this out the way. Put this back in the box. Also need to read the specs on the box. Specs on the box are, specifications are 5,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute, or OPM. It has a 12-speed setting selector, and it weighs 1.7 pounds. Says contains 2426-20 multi-tool, adapter, wood cutting blade, sanding pad, assortment of sanding sheets. Probably like, it looks like there's maybe 80 grit, 120 grit in here. Here's the tool. It does not look like this is a quick change. On off switch, the selector on the side. Grab a small battery. This is a 2.0 battery. Definitely has some smell to her. Showing full battery. Trying the brushes. It is making an odd vibration sound, but yeah, I don't think this is a quick change. This one looks like it requires you have to use the Allen. Yep. So it's not quick change, but it should work for what I need it to. If I end up using it quite a bit, then I can always get another one, or a bigger one like the M18 or get it on in the position I want it on. Probably read through the instructions a little better instead of just messing with it to make sure I'm doing it right. Looks like I probably am, but it won't hurt. Okay. If I have any problems with it, I'll just take it back to Home Depot and exchange it. It's nice, pretty bright LED light on the front of the 3/8. These do have a lock out feature, so if you throw them in a bag, you won't have to worry about it. Nice variable speed trigger. Both sides function, no problem. I'm going to do the 1/4 inch real quick. It also has a nice bright light. Its lockout feature is on, so we're going to turn that off. We're going to test the variable speed on this one as well. There is a little wobble up here. There's a gap right here and a gap on this side. If I can get it up close, you can see the anvil wobble, or not the anvil, but the hammer side on higher speed. There you go. Should be able to see it now, moving back and forth this direction up here. I don't know if the other one does that. Yeah, they both seem to do it. We'll see how well they last. Next video is I'm going to take these out of their package and we're going to see if they fit the Milwaukee multi-tool. Thank you guys for watching. This is just a quick unboxing. I appreciate your guys' time. And please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video.